Hello everyone, greetings from Awise Move Career Counselors. Hope you all are doing well. So, in the series of different career options, today we are going to talk about another option and that is career in photography. Let's start the video. First of all, we'll talk about education. There is no restriction of selecting any subject in 12th for career in photography. You can select any stream, any subject in your 12th. After that, you can go for BSc or MSc in photography, or you can opt for Bachelor in Fine Arts in photography, and after that, Master in Fine Arts in photography. Or there is one more option that you can do graduation in any discipline, and after that, you can go for PG diploma in photography. Or directly, you can opt for diploma or certification in photography. Let's talk about career. Let me quote a famous saying by Elliot Erwitt. To me, photography is an art of observation. It's about finding something interesting in an ordinary place. I have found it has little to do with the things you see and everything to do with the way you see them. Yes, as we all are aware about, photography is the art or process of taking pictures using a camera. But also, it is a blend of technical and artistic acumen. There is a wide range of specializations in this field like history, culture, wildlife, war, and many more. Talking about the key skills required, you should have a good knowledge of Adobe Photoshop or video editing. It would be good if you have knowledge of light, composition, and framing, along with the knowledge of aperture, focus, shutter speed, and white balance. It will be great if you have social media marketing knowledge also, as it will enhance or promote yourself and your work. Different opportunities in this field. There are multiple options and multiple career opportunities in photography. That is photojournalism, commercial photography, creative photography, scientific and forensic photography. Now in photojournalism, you can be taking pictures for different newspapers, magazines or websites. In commercial photography, there are different options. You can be a fashion photographer. You might have heard about Vikram Baba and Abu Ratrani. They are very famous photographers in the field of fashion photography in India. You can be a product photographer. Yes, product photography is all about clicking photos of products, especially for a brand or for different commercial websites. You can be a wedding photographer. In this field also there are multiple options like pre-wedding, candid photography or post-wedding and the main events of different weddings. You can be a food photographer. If you are fond of traveling and photography, then travel photography is best suitable for you. You can be a wildlife photographer also, clicking pictures of different animals, plants and nature. You can be a creative photographer. Thinking out of the box and create something new and unique is all about creative photography. You can be a scientific photographer, and forensic photography is also one of the branch in this photography. Let's talk about colleges. For degree courses, you can go for National Institute of Design, Ahmedabad, Sainath University, Ranchi. For diploma and short-term courses, you can go for Triveni Kala Sangam, New Delhi, the Light and Life Academy, Ooty, Tolani College of Art and Science, Center for Research in Art of Film and Television, Craft, New Delhi. Talking about the suitability, this career is best suitable for individuals who are extrovert and expressive, who have great communication and people skills, so that they can ensure client satisfaction and manage multiple projects. Individuals having good visualization skills and having good eye for shape, form and color. Individuals who can express different emotions through their clicks. Now, here are some tips for building a successful career in photography. Building a strong portfolio of work will showcase the best of your work. Social media can be a great platform for others to discover your work. You can also assist an established photographer for better experience. As you build your portfolio and skill sets, venture out to gain freelance work. Develop your technical expertise in this field. Submit your work to different national and international competitions to showcase your work. Curate your own exhibition, invite your family and friends. Reach out to a restaurant, cafe or art galleries looking for work to display on their walls. Now, talking about the demand and salary, yes, the demand and the salary level both are high for photography. For freshers, even the average salary is more than 5 lakhs, depending upon your work and experience. If you have any other query, you can visit our website awisemove.edumilestones.com, one platform for all your problems. Now, if you want to check whether the career is suitable for you or not, here is the link which is given on your screen. You can go for career suitability assessment test. You can search for a particular career option which you want to check for and you can start the assessment test here. You can also visit our Facebook page, Awisemove Career Counseling Services, and get regular updates. These are the different details of our website and Facebook page. You can also contact us on the given phone number. Do like and subscribe our channel for regular updates. Thank you.